So this is how this one turned out from the last video. And I'm really happy with it. Just this one little shape. I tried so many shapes. And this is the one I ended up with. But this collage is getting at the real simplicity I'm going after. It's easier for me to resolve things by adding more, but I'm looking for a more reductive composition. And I think I got it with this one. So I want to start working in here again, but it's a little messy. So this morning I'm going to be cleaning up. There's my tripod where I put the phone to record for you guys. Anyways, this is all going to look better in a little bit. Check it out. So apparently, I thought I was recording this in regular time, not time lapse, but I was talking to you guys about how I separate out the polymer and pigment solids from the water so that it's a more ecological disposal of the paint wastewater. And I use, Golden has this kit, it's called Crash, and I love it. It's great because I've for a long time not wanted to put plastics in the wastewater system, and so now I have an easy way to do that. Let me know if you guys want me to do more detailed video about how I do that. Okay, it's almost 7 a.m. I'm gonna go make some breakfast and then come back and deal with this mess. So I'll see you in a minute, or maybe half an hour. Okay. Okay, that was a lot longer than 30 minutes. It's been an hour and a half. I made breakfast, cleaned up the kitchen, took care of some correspondence, tidied up a little bit, got ready for some other stuff happening later. So anyway, yay, back. Look at this. We're gonna make it better. Watch. Okay, there now. Isn't that better? Yes. Every once in a while, you gotta just put everything away and start fresh.